Now let's start to work on the unique function. Now what unique does is it gives you unique rows from a provided range. So suppose I have this data of various colors. Yeah. I have the data of various colors. Give me 1 minute. Let me see where I can get it from. Okay. So I have this data of various colors, which you can see I have plotted here. Sorry. And I want to get unique colors that are represented in various columns. Yeah. So I will use unique. Now let's start with the what is the syntax? So the syntax would be is equal to unique. I'll open the brackets. Then I have to select the range from where I want to find out the unique values. Yeah. So I would select this all colors which are available. Yeah. I'll close the brackets and I'll press enter. Can see it by default, it has removed all the duplicates from each column, whereas rows are there is it. Yeah. Now by default, by column is it is false. So let me put this. You see, there is a second restriction to it. So if I put it as true, by default it is false. That's why it is just removing the duplicates from the columns. So if I say true, let's see what happens. Yeah. Now it has done this for the rows. So if you see here, red, yellow, red. So it has removed one red because it's duplicate in rows. Same for blue, magenta, blue, red, yellow, red, green, white, green. Yeah. So by default, if I do not put through, it take it as false. So let me put it as false. And it filter out unique in the columns. Yeah? Even if I do not put false, it is by default, it will do the same. Yeah. You need to note that if rows are returned, which appear to be duplicate, ensure that the cells including text do not have different hidden text such as trading switches. So usually what happens, suppose this is red, right? So I try to put some more spaces. You can see my cursor moving ahead since I am adding spaces to red. Just check what is happening. Yeah. G I30. Okay. I say enter. Now I'll see since I've added spaces to red, which is different from what is available here, it is not considering it in the duplicate list. Yeah. So in order to remove it, you need to first remove the trailing spaces from the data to get the correct result. Yeah. So that's why it is able to remove the trailing reds which are available in different rows and the columns. Yes. And lastly, the last option, so if I say true or which by default I'll keep it as false, the last option was to exactly once. What it does, it by default removes the duplicate ones. But if you do not want to remove the duplicates one, you just keep it as true. But that will again not make sense. So usually people, yeah. So this is how you can use a unique function to remove duplicates from your data. I usually use it when I am trying to get a unique of products. So suppose I have a lot of products with me, A, B, C, D, E, A, C, D, F, B, A. Now, if I want to find unique of all these products, then I straight away use unique. So I say unique, I'll select the products and boom. So this is how I get the unique products and available in the formula. So it may be products, it could be your stages, sub-stages on processes. It could be finding unique employees or unique employee IDs from a list of transactions the employees do or from their performance. So you can use it for various ways through which you can find unique data from the list of data that you have. Yeah. And make your data more quality proof to be used in any kind of analysis. Yeah. I hope you like this function. You use it most often, which I use it for my data cleaning purposes. Thank you so much.